It's a 2018 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. It comes with great features you love. Automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automated parking sensors, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, Sync Connect remote engine start smart device, and EcoBoost engine. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.